Welcome to the very first video in our Going the Extra Mile series. In this series, our aim is to help you prepare and check your vehicle for those long journeys we all make at bank holidays and in the summer. So, here's how to check your tyre tread depth. The legal minimum tread depth for vehicles in the UK is 1.6mm, but safety professionals recommend that you don't let your tyre tread go below 3mm. Not only can worn tyres increase braking distances, especially when it's wet, but according to the DVLA, driving on bald tyres could land you with a hefty £2,500 fine and points on your licence. You can check your tyres with a tyre tread depth gauge, but also a 20p piece will also do the job, as the outer edge of the coin is set to 2mm. Place the coin into the tread grooves across the central 3/4 of the tyre. If the tyre completely hides the ridge of the coin, it is above the 1.6 legal limit. However, if you can see the outer ridge of the coin, your tyres will need replacing as soon as possible. If you don't have a 20p piece to hand, another quick way to check tread depth is to use the tread wear indicators in the grooves of your tyre. The indicators sit 1.6mm above the tread. If the rest of your tyre is level with these, then you know it needs replacing. Of course, you'll want to repeat these checks on all of your tyres. It's worth checking the tread depth every 2 months or so to be sure you have enough grip on the roads. Of course, feel free to get in touch with us here at Arbury for a complimentary health check on your vehicle, where our manufacturer-approved technicians can check your tyres and much more for you, making sure your journeys run safe and smooth. Thanks for watching, and see you all soon at Arbury.